There is a myriad of different products and services on Facebook, thousands and thousands constantly vying for your attention. Every now and then one drops into your newsfeed that can actually change your life. And that service is here today, and it's called Circuit Factory. Now, you are in psychological pain because first of all, your food is not clean, and that's not your fault because society is imbued with terrible food choices. On every street corner, you'll find the likes of KFC, Burger King, McDonald's. Everything is trying to serve your deepest innate desires for high calorie, high sugar foods. This is what we are biologically driven to eat. Every now and then, 1 in 50 stores will sell you a salad. And that creates this toxic food environment that's incredibly hard to get away from. And that results in you eating poor quality food. On the other side of the coin is exercise. This is something that you know you should do. It's something that innately we all need to do. But exercise is brutal because you see fit people who've already taken that walk and beaten that beast, and they are already in shape. So you just think, that isn't me. You go to a gym, you feel like you don't belong. You get a personal trainer, you feel like you don't belong. You go to a group exercise class, you don't look, move or act like other people. So what is the solution? The solution is Circuit Factory. It's a world-class, and when I say world-class, I mean #1 in the world, system of helping you to pick and win the fight of your life. It's not just about losing weight. It's a complete ideology that will not only change you psychologically, but physically as well. So how does it work? First of all, the movement side, which is the least important piece of the puzzle. You can come in and train a specified number of classes per week. We will give you measurements before, measurements during, measurements at the end. We will tell you what food you should eat and what food you should avoid. We will motivate you in every single conceivable way with blogs, roll call emails, videos. You'll be on a Facebook group with thousands of people. People will know your name. They'll put you in an environment of working out where you are no longer treadmill number 6 or bike number 4, but you are an actual human being. The real key to exercise, and the reason why you've never been able to access it before, is that Circuit Factory is a community. It's a group of people who are coming together. No one's trying to fleece you, no one's trying to exploit you, no one's there for Instagram or money or fame. They are there to help other people.
It's a way of giving back to the community. It's a way of taking care of people, and what is it if it's not your divine reason to be born, to take care of people, to go out there and do something good, leave your mark. We're here for a blip of a lifetime. And in those 50, 60 years, if you cannot take care of your fellow human being, what else can you do?
And that is the key piece that you've been missing in your exercise. So when we provide that social environment where you can actually learn the names of other people, they know who you are, and interact with people who genuinely care for your health and well-being, finally, it unlocks the physical side and you get to see the joy, the absolute joy of working out. Everybody loves exercise. The thing is, you've never experienced it, and now you can. And on the food side, it gets better because we have Circuit Factory Food Box. In its essence, it's 2 clean meals every day in a box. It's delivered to your door, so you don't have to worry about going to the supermarket and wasting 4 hours twice a week. It's cheaper than what you would normally spend on food because it's 450 dirhams a week. And if you tot up how much you spend for breakfast, lunch and dinner every day, you're going to come to way, way more. You don't need to know how to cook because the recipes are so simple and the food is delicious. Now, why did I say 2 meals a day and you normally eat 3 meals a day? That's because the genius of the food box is that it allows you to begin intermittent fasting. Now, intermittent fasting is essentially time-restricted eating. All it really means is you give yourself a window every day, like 10 till 6, and in that time you eat all of your food. Now, outside of those hours, you fast. Now, what you will find is that your stomach is like a muscle. If you train it, it will respond, and it responds well if you eat less food. So you're going to push your breakfast back later in the day. Then you have an eating window where you can put all these meals into your body. And because you're eating more food in less time, you feel satisfied. Then when you get to the end of your window, you fast. Now, the most effective form of intermittent fasting is 2 clean meals a day. And inside every single food box, you will find 2 clean meals a day. So no longer do you have to fend for yourself in this toxic food environment. You can literally clear out your cupboards on a Saturday morning, the doorbell goes, you put the bags in the fridge, and then essentially every time it's time to eat, within your window, you take out a bag, open up your phone or tablet and put the meal together as shown. Combine that, which means you're going to eat less food and you're going to eat clean food, with the Circuit Factory fitness experience where you're going to find something you love, be more motivated and use more energy. You're going to basically burn calories here, take on less calories here, and the results, a massive, massive weight loss. As I said at the start, this is a life-changing service and we are offering it to you. On October the 6th, the Circuit Factory Challenge begins, and you can sign up for it right now. If you want to find out the beauty and strength of which your body is capable, click the button below now.